Testing 1, 2. Good morning, fellas. Happy Friday morning. Happy Friday. Let's go, fellas. Good morning, everybody. Timbo, Tech 111, John. Good morning, John. Ace Undercover. Good morning. I am Bruce Lee. Black Coffee. Good morning. Let's go. Jack Wiley, good morning. M. Brown. Jake Dell, good morning. Sean Trader, Micro Player, Dean Bishop, Costy, Jim O, Touchdown, Keegan, JD, Lazy Bunny, That One, good morning. Scalping with Tom, good morning. Let's go, chat. Good morning, Sharoos. Michael Masuki. Good morning, Golf Guy Mike. Frank Mortimer. That One. Mozena, good morning. Arrow Squad, good morning. All right, we have, wow, look at this. Rip above the VWAP and right back down. Something tells me today's going to be another crazy day, folks. Buckle up. Buckle up. What's silver doing? All right, silver pulled back at the open a little bit. You know, silver is right at that 100 level. And should be interesting what happens here at the 100s. Not that I'm going to trade it. Good morning, Joom. Design Knob, let's go. Chat, I can't believe it. Hey, the Take Profit Trader payout was approved this morning, or actually was approved last night. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm still so happy that we have the Take Profit Trader accounts. It's almost like nothing happened. And I actually already locked out. I am locked out of my Take Profit Trader accounts. I don't know. I just wanted to get my balance. We're going to be able to request $300 per account. And I'm going to leave it at that. And we're going to be so happy about it. Oh, what a day yesterday. I still can't believe I got pranked like that. Where's Matty Matt? Where's Matty Matt? Get him in here. Who pranked me? It was Matty Matt. I mean, John was kind of in on it too. Yeah, exactly, John. Good morning, Niles. I am Bruce Lee, the hoodie trader. Rumo, good morning. All right, I want to see. I mean, is this going to take out the lows here? We had the overnight lows here at the 540s. It seems like it wants to hold up here, but starting to feel like we might. Looks like we might, I don't know. I feel like we might take out those lows.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Right now, I really don't have a bias either way. The daily chart looks kind of meh. We're hanging out right at this, I think this is the 150 EMA. We're just hanging out right at that. We're going to be trading our Apex accounts this morning. Everything else is already locked out for the day. So just going to look for some, hopefully, if we lose the 500s or if we lose the 550s here, then look out below. I do think we might take out and revisit the 500s, but all depends. If we don't even test or take out the lows of the day, we might just rip straight back up. All right, trying to get a move back up through the 620s, through the VWAP here. We're chilling. Where's Matty Matt? R5 Studios, good morning. Trade Ranger, good morning. NP Trader, good morning. Ban them all. Thank you, Ace Undercover. Yeah, I'm sorry. Someone hacked your account. They never made it good. Yeah. Wow, right back down. Oof. I don't know. This feels kind of heavy. This feels kind of heavy.
Order filled.
See if we sweep the lows here. Yes, Top Step. I discovered that Roa. Top Step changed it. You can only request at the end of the day now. When did they change that? All right, we are bouncing off the lows there. Do I like Tradeify or Lucid? Man. I probably would go with Lucid, John. It's very close. It's like 50-50, but I think I would prefer Lucid if I had to choose. I don't think you can go wrong either way. Yeah, you found out today, Rotary. I found out yesterday. I did request a payout for Top Step, so let's go. We're all locked and loaded. Hey, there's Matty Matt. Good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning. He's back. How's it going, Matty Matt? I still can't believe you got me. Can't believe you got me. Man. I haven't been pranked that hard and that well in a long time.
Order filled.
All right, we're trying to bounce here off the 560 support here, but man, part of me, I might take. I don't usually take these trades, but I do feel like if we...
Order submitted.
I might actually take this short breakout here. If we break down through here, I want to see the 500s. So far, it's holding. Man, maybe we need to... Well, we might... I don't know. This might look... Let's wait.
Canceled.
I'm going to be patient. Oh, yes, there is PMI. There is news at 9:45. Thank you. Let's go. Glad the account survived. Thank you. Thank you, Matty Matt. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Man, we're getting a bounce here. All right, I'm tempted here to short off the 620s, but if this thing rips above the VWAP, then the longs might be in play. Yes, thanks for the reminder on the news. News at 9:45. So news in 4 minutes, guys. News in 4 minutes. Which of the Lucid do I like? If you want to go the eval route, then I think I would choose the pro account. I think I would go with the pro account. I mean, for me personally, John, I just hate evals, so I actually prefer the direct accounts, but I don't. Yeah, you're probably better at trading and better at passing evals than I am. So, but then I think I would go with the pros. I think I would. I prefer those. Stopped at the bottom? No. Oh, I see, John. Yeah, I hear you. Why pro? It has a day of loss limit. Just the well. So hang on. I mean, if you that's why me personally, I mean, I would go with the direct account because then you don't have the day of loss limit. Well, no, you do have a day of loss limit, but it's a lot bigger. But I don't know. Yeah, the 1200. Okay, yeah, I guess it depends what size account you're going with. If you're going with the 50Ks, I'm not a huge fan of the tight day of loss limit on that either. All right, market. News is about to drop here. 2 minutes. Let me look. Okay, so the flex account, I get. Okay, maybe I have them mixed up. Actually, I think I do. Sorry, John. The flex account is the one that I would probably go with. The flex account is the one that I would go with. Yes. If I was going to go the eval route, because yes, those are the ones that don't have the day of loss limit, 5 days to pay out. That's the one. I had him confused. I mean, the lucid blacks aren't. The lucid blacks are kind of enticing, but the thing with the lucid blacks that I'm not a huge fan of, you basically have to reach your buffer in between every payout. And on the 100K, the max payout is 2,000. So you're basically having to, make 3. It's okay, but flex, you can only withdraw 50%. Yeah, I mean, I mostly just use the direct accounts, but I love the direct accounts. Now, the hard part about direct accounts is you have a little bit of a bigger buffer you need to reach. But once you reach that buffer, there's also a 20% consistency. So for some people, they don't like that. I don't mind the consistency rules. So that's always why I prefer just the direct accounts. Don't have to mess with evals. And once you get the accounts to a payout, that's the key. But getting them there, that first payout is the one that's a little bit more painful. So I don't know. That's kind of how it is with all prop firms. There's pros and cons. So you just got to pick what you like, and it is what it is. All right, market. It is starting to feel like we want to go higher. So, I mean, I'm okay either way, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to see if we can get above the 650s. The news wasn't too crazy. All right, now Mark. Okay, man, this is Okay, I'm doing it. I'm going to jump into this short. All right. I mean, I'd love to see a break through the 560s here if we can get it. I'd love to see that. If not, I'm going to trail this pretty tight. Really like to see this just all the way down through the 560s, but okay. I mean, I'm gonna have to give this some wiggle room. Come on, dump it. I really feel like if we get through the 560s, we could see a 100-point move here. So I'm gonna try to hold, but try not to be an idiot either. Come on, market. One time. Just rip it lower. You know you want to do it. We're going to have to give it a little bit of room. Give it a little bit of time. Never goes straight down how we want it to. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. Dump it. Dump. Oh. Come on, market. One nice just dump right through the 560s. Do it. That's it. That's it. Oh my goodness, it's just gonna tease. It's gonna be a teaser. That was the one that was supposed to go. Feel like this thing might rip back up. Man, it's so hard to be patient with this market. So difficult. Come on, market, market. You're being difficult. Dump it. Come on, right here. Do it. Do it. Do it. This is painful. This is painful. All right, I'm out. Fine, you win, market. Just can't go. It just can't do it. Yeah, there she goes. Right back up. Wow. Well, I'm glad I got out. Wow. Yeah, I mean, now I don't really want to try a long until we get above the 650s. We got to get above the 650s and hold. Right now, this could just chop back and forth 50 points. And probably need to avoid it. And the market only goes up. Yeah, that's true. I forgot. Any update on TBT? Max 90. We are good to go. We are good to go. We survived. Let's go. I'm so happy. His Royal Trades, good morning. Oh no, P shenanigan. Yeah, that news didn't do much. We do also have news at, we have news at 10 o'clock as well, I believe. Let me look. Yeah, well, we have orange folder news at 10. Doesn't look like it's going to be much of a mover. Man, I've been watching this, man, this winter storm that's coming through, man, it's crazy. Right now, it looks like it might snow over a foot in Ohio where we live. If I wasn't just getting over my sickness, I would totally be going to Ohio this weekend. If nothing else, just to experience the snowstorm. I love a good snowstorm. I just love watching it snow. But it looks like we're just going to be here in Ohio. I'll be watching my cameras from afar. Did I take the 2.5K payout yesterday? Yes, I did, Frozen North. Yes, we did. We took the payout. Right here's the proof. Right there. That was the payout. This was after the 20%. This was after the 80-20 profit split. This is what, this was the payout we took. This is all, this dollar amount right here, all of it, thanks to silver. You gotta love it. Let's go, silver. Oh, is silver, how's it doing? Silver very choppy. Still haven't breached the 100s. You know those hundreds are just waiting to get taken out. All right, market trying to breach the highs, trying to get up through the 650. Looks like we're going to do it. We just never could get through the bottom there at the 560s. It's probably an okay long there at the bottom as long as we don't breach the 560s. Probably was a pretty safe long. There she goes up through the 650s. All right. I mean, I guess we gotta, maybe we need to look at longs. She's a going. Just passing by to leave a like. Thank you, Scorpio. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it. I should short silver again, Niles. No. Gosh, I still can't believe we shorted silver yesterday and we survived. That was a serious mental mistake. We almost got cooked, chat. Ooh, look at that rip. Wow. All right, so we swept the highs and now getting a pretty decent pullback here. Oh, okay, you're in Monroe County. Yeah, I'm trying to find a map. Where's a map that I was looking at earlier? So here's an updated forecast that shows we are right here in the path where we could see 12 to 15 inches. Like right in here is where our home is in Ohio. So we're right on the edge of 8 to 12 or 12 to 18. It's going, oh man, I wish I was at home. Oh, I'm going to miss that snowstorm. It's unfortunate. I wish I was there. I know it sounds crazy, but I love a good snowstorm. No golf until June. You have so much snow fatigue this season? Oh no. All right, we are back up through the 650s. Oh man, I wasn't exactly comfortable with longs today, but I guess we might have to get comfortable. Actually, here's a better look. Right here's where we're at. And this is literally calling for 13 inches of snow. And we are right in the heart of it. Wow, there she goes. Man, we're really just gonna go, huh? I might. Was that the news? Oh, hey, there she goes. We're just ripping. Now we're just ripping it higher. Man, do I want to try this? Man, I hate chasing, but this is tempting me to chase. Oh. Velegir. That's right, trade flows. Good morning. I love it. I love it. Yeah, Velegir. I think we'll wait. This looks a little bit like a trap, or it could possibly be a trap. Overnight highs are all the way up here at the 730s, so we could see the 730s. All right, here we go. 700's probably next target. Man, this is ugh. I've been really contemplating trading a little bit more breakouts. Feel like trading breakouts from 9:30 to 10, like 10:15, trading breakouts is a pretty decent strategy. Trading breakouts after 10 is I feel like a way more risky, but I've never been good and comfortable trading breakouts, but I see it more and more. The more that it seems like this market, basically once it breaks out, it just goes. It just doesn't give you it doesn't give you that pullback you need to enter. So you almost just need to trade the breakout. But it's unfortunate. I am so lucky. Big tick energy. I feel like I don't know. I'm so happy. Hey, RXHX, good to see you. Citizen Zero, good morning. We just hit one of those 1 hour tan lines. Thank you, Big Tick Energy. I appreciate it. All right, we're right at the 700s. Hey, John Adams, good morning. Starting the day off right. All right, 710s. We're just going straight up again. That's what I'm talking. Like, it's exactly what I'm talking about. Once it starts to go, the breakout happens. You almost have to trade the breakout and just ride the wave until it starts to slow down. And as soon as it starts slowing down, get out. I'm going to start to adapt that strategy for between 9:30 to 10:30. Like that first 1 hour of trading is when I feel like it's valid. All right, now the 730s was the overnight highs. So I'm very curious what happens here. See if this pulls back. Hey, Psychopathic Trader, good morning. Hey, no problem. No problem at all. All right, we're getting that pullback right back down to the 700s. Let's see if maybe we won't take out the 730s. Maybe we start rolling over right here. I don't know. I'm going to be watching this. Yeah, this still looks bullish. Just difficult to go long up here. Can't really justify taking a long up here. Silver really not going anywhere. What's gold looking like? I mean, gold just kind of doing its thing. Wow. Gold had a massive dump last night, right at what, 3 o'clock, 3:15? Yikes. Interesting. All right, getting a pullback. Yeah, it's definitely starting to look like we're stalling a little bit. Kind of looks like we're stalling a little bit here. You think we pushed to 821? I mean, if we break up through the 730s, I don't disagree. I think we could see the 800s. But we've got to get up through the 730s first. I could also see this just roll over right here. I could totally see this just roll over and right back down to the lows. Let's see what happens. I want to see how it reacts to the 730s. We be patient today. How is it possible to be so wrong, Design Knob? Trust me, I know the feeling. We've all been there. We have all been there. If we don't continue up, I'm blaming the tan line. That's fair. We're definitely stalling a little bit. It's tempting here to take a long, just in, basically the move would be that we take out the overnight highs, but I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I'm in no rush to take trades today. I feel like after yesterday, we need a little bit of a chill session. She disappeared. Did she blow her account? Who are we talking about? Who are we? Oh, you're talking about tan lines, Matty Matt. I don't know where she went. Oh, trust me. Don't you worry. She will be back. Okay. I can assure you that Tory tan lines will be back. Don't you fret and don't you frown. Man, this is really trying to tempt me into a long here. It's really trying to tempt me into a long. I mean, I don't hate it. I don't hate a long here, but I'm probably going to regret it. It's okay. We'll be chilling. That's right. She will be back. Don't you fret. Don't you frown. Lucid Black or Lucid Flex? Oh, man. Counterintuitive. We were talking about earlier. I think I would go with the Lucid Flex. Me personally. I think I would. G. Brooks, Tori is working on her tan lines. Hey, she might be in Florida. Who knows? Okay, we rejected off the 710s. Now I'm starting to feel, I don't know what to think here. We're definitely stalling. It's just a question of, are we just resting for another push higher? Or is this going to roll over? That's the question. We shall wait and find out. Excuse me. Hey, here's the move lower. Let's see. Wow, is this now? Are we just gonna go right back up? Ah. Wow, this thing ripping. Looks like a trap for the shorts. The shorts might have got trapped there. This might be what we needed to get through the 730s. Here she goes. Let's see. This is crazy. This market be crazy. Let's see if we can get up through the 710s. We've struggled. We've had struggles here. The free top step accounts. Yeah, I heard that there was a round of free accounts that went out. I saw different people posting about it. I must have gotten my free accounts like last week, because I received 550K accounts. Actually, I mean, I received the reset fees. Wow, this is getting choppy, folks. Right back down. 680s. Man, this is starting to get violent. Yes, Rossi, we've already got a payout locked in. Let's go. The pool fund is almost fully funded. I need I need basically 1.5 more payouts, and then my new pool build is going to be completely paid for by Top Step. Let's go. I'm going to have a little sign. Made. This pool sponsored by Top Step. It sounds right now, it looks like they're going to start the pool build in like 3 to 4 weeks. Should be a crazy, it's going to be pretty crazy. Yeah, maybe I'll have a slow markets pool party. Maybe I'll move my stream out and have the pool in the background. I should do that at least once. Let's go. Hey, I don't discriminate. If I could get payouts, I'm going to get them. No diving off the Top Step. Wow, this is looking very... I don't know. I feel like we're going lower. The fact that we cannot get above the 710s makes me think this thing wants a move lower. Maybe retest the 650s possibly. Maybe test the 650s, the 15-minute opening range low or high right here. Dakota will not show up. He will not be invited. Man, this thing is choppy. Very choppy market. Wow, look at that. And right back up. Right back up. Man, this thing is violent. Jeez. Here we go. 710s. She's ripping. Right up. Oh, snap. Yeah, that was the breakout. 720s. She ripping. Man, that's wild. I got filled and stopped in 2 seconds. Ouch. Those are not fun. Those are not fun. All right, now it's starting to look like this thing wants to rip it. We just got to take out the 730s now. Let's see if we take out those overnight highs. And there she goes. There she blows. 730s have been breached. Market only goes higher, folks. That's the key. Markets only go up until they don't, but wow. 750s. She ripping. She is ripping. Wait until I'm long, yeah. Yeah, I know, Design. We should know by now, Design. Design, we know better. We know better. We know the market just wants to go up. I don't know why we keep doubting it. You know? Is silver making... Wow, silver just stuck. Oh, no, that's gold. Sorry. Let's look at silver. Oh, silver did breach the 100s. Oh, man, I missed it. I wanted to see it happen. Oh, man. Man, I guess we gotta look for longs. I guess we look for longs, folks. Gold is close to 5,000. Yeah, I know. Yeah, exact. I know the feeling, Sharoos. Honestly, it's not a bad theory. I always kind of, it's okay to short, but we have to be in a very clear downtrend. That's why I just am hesitant to ever short when we're like in an uptrend or at a double top or whatever. I'm just so hesitant. I've gotten destroyed so many times. I have PTSD. The world is in shambles. Yeah. That's right. It don't matter. 760s. There she goes. Just go long and hold on. Man, it's so difficult to... Ugh. Wow. And you were originally long and then you got stopped out. Yeah, that's really frustrating. That's why, yeah, that's so frustrating. That is not okay. Now we're getting a little bit more of a pullback. Little more of a pullback here. Oh, I don't know why, but I'm having a hard time believing this move. I'm having a difficult time buying into this move long. Ugh. But we got to, I mean, come on. Don't be an idiot now. Don't be an idiot. Come on, market. Come on. You know you want to rip it right up through the 800s. You know you got it in you. Let's just go long and hold on. What could go wrong? Oh, come on. Just go. Just go, market. You know you want to do it. There we go. Now keep going. Don't stall. All right, now let's break out. Give me new highs. Come on. I'm going to try to hold for the 800s, but I'm also not going to be greedy. I'm hoping we can go up through the 800s, but I'm going to also just, hey, let's see what happens. Oh, don't be like this. We got to make new highs. Come on, man. We got to go. Rip it. Come on. New highs. Oh. It's always when I go long where the market just seems like it wants to stall. It never fails. Or maybe it's just because I'm watching it more closely. That could also be, but go. Right here. Come on. Go. Right here. Right here. Now, all of a sudden, we can't make new highs. Oh, go figure. Pop it. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to go get my water bottle filled up. Come on, chat. We need this thing to go. Go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Keep going. All right, we're going to try to hold for this target. Man, I got some. I found some chocolates in the pantry. Oh, these chocolates. Ooh, look at that. Oh, they're so good. Let's go, chat. Keep going. Yeah, I haven't had no more Nutty Bar, Luis. It's kind of sad. Come on, just go. Pump this higher. Straight up through the 800s. Let's do this. Let's do this. Chat. Come on, market. Yeah, we might be here a while, folks. The way this is looking, it might take a bit. It might take a minute to get to the 800s. That's okay. I got nowhere to be. I got nothing better to do. Please just don't come and stop me out. Whatever happens, as long as that doesn't happen, we're good. Have I studied price velocity versus volatility and why it beats the order flow? No, I've not. Nope. Sounds foreign to me. Stairs up, elevator down. That's usually how it is, Trade Ranger. Let's just hope it's the stairs up till the 800s. Then if it wants to make the elevator down, I'm okay with it. We're definitely starting to stall a little bit. I could move my stop, I guess, up to this. If I was a smarter human being, I would probably do that. Maybe I should. Nah, we're leaving it. We're leaving it. That's it, market. Go. That's it. Go. Come on, man. Come on. Up through the 80s. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Just need one nice pop. Oh, it just can't do it. Are you serious? Are you serious, market? Why must you be like this? Why? Excuse me. Market, you are funny. You are a funny human. You're a funny. Okay, now maybe. It's gotta go. It's gotta go now. Right? It's gotta be. This has gotta be the one. It's got to be the one. This has got to be the one, folks. Come on. Oh my goodness. I'm about to give up. I'm about to give up. Okay, we got to do it right here. Hey, 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 we made new highs. Let's go. No, market, keep going. Don't. Keep going. Fine, I give up. Market wins. Market wins once again. Once again, the market wins. I just, why do we go sideways when I try to hold? Watch this breakout and now rip to the 800s. Watch. Yep, it's gonna happen, isn't it? never fails. Just never fails. What? Unbelievable. It's actually impressive. You just got to tip your cap. Good game, man. Good. Well played. Well played. Oh, silver at 100 again? Oh, dear. Yep. Silver above 100 an ounce. Unbelievable. Man. What a crate. Let's look at the daily chart on silver. I want to see this. Look at this chart on silver. Like, this is insanity. Looks like a meme stock. Next stop, 120s. That's just wild. That is wild. Crazy, man. Well, we're still stuck. We're still stuck here at the 780s. I'm glad I took my profit. I'm glad I just took it. Yeah, I know. Last July, silver was $22 an ounce. I know. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, you should have put all your money in silver bars. All right, mate. I mean, now, unless we get a bigger pullback, we're just going to have to be on the sideline here. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. I do like the looks of this right now. I was just thinking to myself, I could walk away right now and I'd be happy with today. It's a great Friday. If we walk away right now, it's a great Friday. We might do it. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. 80 degrees, sunny. I think we're going to go to the, I'm going to take the whole family. We're going to go to the beach. It's, that's not a bad life. Just call the day early at 11 o'clock, head out to the beach, and call it a good day. Your ferals for the irons are stuck in Portland for some reason. Oh no, Matty Matt. That email prank was diabolical. It was. It definitely. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nah, there it went. Above the 790s now. Yeah, go figure. You know what, market? I just don't care. See, that's the problem. I don't care. You can go to the 800s. It's fine. I'm not going to be offended. I don't care. Now I care. Okay, I take that back. I'm a little bit annoyed. Unbelievable. All I had to do was hold. Just all I had to do was hold. Crazy. Crazy market. This thing is insanity. What a rip. What a rip. We had our longs at the 750s. We had a great game plan to get to the 800s, and we just chickened out early, like usual. Hey, it was still a good trade, I guess. Still a good trade, but man, wow, what a rip. There she goes, 810s, 812s, 813s, 814s. She's a ripper. You got long right around the same time. You're still holding. Let's go, Black Coffee. Thank you. Thanks for doing it. I love it. Unbelievable. I am a little bit I'm a little bit sad. I'll get over it though. Man, we're really ripping this thing. I mean, next target is going to be the 850s. Who knows? Maybe today is one of them days where we're just going to rip it higher. One thing, guys, I have noticed. If you don't believe in velocity, look at silver and how it's trading. I mean, Bob, you're not going to convince me to use velocity or some other thing to trade. I'm sorry. I got my own thing that I'm looking and I'm trading. I'm not a big believer in indicators and stuff, but hey, I love that it works for you. But one thing I've noticed in the afternoon session, guys, I have noticed the afternoon sessions, we have seen a lot of rollover in the afternoon session. And it's pretty crazy. That is something that I got to be very, afternoon sessions, we've just been doing this. In the morning, from morning till 12 o'clock, we seem to go higher, and then we follow it up in the afternoon with just a rollover. So it's been a long time since we've actually had an all-day up day. It's been a while. All indicators are lagging. Yeah, exactly. They are. I think indicators can be helpful. I think they can still be helpful, but when you look at indicators in hindsight, it's not a true reflection of what happens in real time. Does Lucid do daily payouts? They have an option on their Flex, yes. When can we stream during the overnight session? It's probably going to go toward like end of February before we can do that, just because of it's just going to work the best. I've got kind of a lot of stuff planned from now until then. All right, trying to get up through the 815s here. Take out those 820s. Man, what a nice move. Oh, I'm kind of sad I took that trade or off. Ugh. Bob, fly a plane without indicators. Are we comparing flying a plane to indicators on a chart? Let's hope. I hope we're not doing that. Come on, Bob. I'm not going to take, wait, am I frozen north? Am I wrong on that? Doesn't the flex, doesn't one of the Lucid accounts give you the option for daily payouts? Am I wrong? I get Tradeify and Lucid. They're like brother and sister, and I get them confused. Okay, I might have told you wrong then. Okay, yeah, that is Tradeify. Yeah, you're right. It's the Tradeify selected plan, and then you can choose between. Yeah, you're right. I'm a bad streamer. 820s, here we go. There she goes, 820s. Who remembers Grizzly? I do remember Grizzly. Why do I prefer the 150Ks? Multiple reasons. Number one, the drawdown. Number two, the fact that after you get to your first payout, you have plenty of buffer remaining. I don't know. I've kind of started. I've just preferred the 150s in the last 9 months to a year. Sit a non-plot in front of a dash of a plane and they will say, I mean, come on, Bob. Bob, you're losing me, Bob. Let me just clarify. An indicator on a plane is real time. Okay, that's the difference. An indicator on a chart is lagging. Okay. I hope we don't have to spend a lot of time explaining the difference between an indicator on a chart and an indicator on a plane. I really don't want to do this today, Bob. I love you, Bob. Please don't make me do this. I don't want to do it. Don't make me do it. I prefer to fly with lagging indicators. All right, market, 820s, here she goes. The market don't care. It's just gonna keep going higher. Why did I not just get long and hold? I'm upset. I'm partially upset also because I cut my trade on my Top Step accounts. I bailed on my Top Step accounts long, and I bailed on my other accounts long. Usually I will hold my Top Step way longer, but this time I didn't, and I'm having lots and lots of regrets. Planes have instruments, not indicators. Okay, yes, but you get the point. I know yes, I know. This channel always gives me daily chuckles. Same deversatility, same. Every day I think back to the stream every day and I'm like, man, I hadn't heard that one before. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. You know, starting the day today, I did not have it on my bingo card that we're going to be comparing indicators on planes to indicators on the chart, but here we are. Here we are, man. You just never know what's going to happen. You just never know. Oh, you gotta love it. You got to love it. We're all leering together. Hey, did you guys see my sign? I had a custom sign made. I want to see what you guys think of my custom sign that I got made. Don't hold back. Let me know what you think. Custom made. What do you guys think? I think it's a banger. I think we're on to something here. Thinking about getting it printed, hanging it back there on the wall somewhere. I'm such a troll. Oh, also, I got threatened. Our buddy Scooter, our good friend Scooter, he's gonna sue me. Yeah, it's unfortunate, guys. We're probably gonna have to shut everything down. Oh man, he did not like he did not appreciate yesterday at all. He said he's gonna sue me. Oh, funny guy. He was trying to educate me on what defamation is. I had to use Grok on him. It's not possible to have defamation when what you say is true. I had to have a little educational seminar for him, but we guy's such a loser. He said he feels bad for me. He feels bad for me because I don't have any money. I don't have any assets. I'm poor. Oh man. I appreciate that. I know. It's like, yep, you got me, Matt. You got me. I'm poor. Oh no. I don't know why. You know, one thing I've discovered on this trading, like everything, is if you don't flaunt, then people just assume you're poor. You know what I want? I would much rather be assumed that I'm poor than flaunting riches and not be a lot of people I've noticed that flaunt their riches usually are trying to compensate for something. I'm not saying what they're trying to compensate for. I will not say that, but there's usually some kind of deficit, you know? There's like an imbalance that they're trying to make right. It's unfortunate. I want nothing but the best for him, though. I wish him nothing but wish him much success. Much success, yeah. Oh my goodness. We are I always wonder. I'm not joking. Why would you want to flaunt that you're rich? Like, doesn't that just attract the wrong crowd? In my opinion, like, that's how I would look at it. Like, I mean, there's also a big, I don't know. I'm a big believer in humility, so obviously it is what it is. To each their own, I guess. We all got our different things. But hey, I will say, I can't say that I'm completely innocent. I can't say I'm completely innocent because I have been known to flex a little bit on my lawnmower, okay? So I can't be claiming completely that I don't do it. But the only time I want to flaunt my riches is on my lawnmower. That's it. Just my lawnmower. That's the only time I really feel the need to do it. Which reminds me, is anybody here in chat that hasn't seen my lawnmower? Raise your hand if you haven't seen my lawnmower. I'd love to show it to you. Are you going to put the bling into your new pool? Oh, let's go. John, you haven't seen my lawnmower? Hold up. Wait a minute. Just hold on. I knew I'd find somebody. Here we go. We can flaunt the lawnmower once again. I knew I'd get somebody. I knew I'd be able to find somebody in here. Not only flaunt my lawnmower, but also my lawn. It's like a double-edged thing here. I'll try not to I'll try not to do it too much, but I just can't help myself. I just can't help myself. Look at this market. I'm sick of it. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, would you look at that beauty? Oh, she was brand spanking new in that photo. I don't think I have mowed. I don't think I even mowed one blade of grass when I took this picture. I mean, she's a beauty. Oh, that gives me butterflies. Oh, I can't wait to mow the lawn again. I cannot wait. Oh, and then just for good measure, here's the lawn. We just, oh, I want to mow the lawn again. Oh, mama, look at it go. Oof. I bet Scooter Guy doesn't have a lawn like this. No shot he's got a lawn like this. You know he doesn't. No shot. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop now. I'll stop. Let's go back. Those stripes make me want to be an American. Your lawnmower got deported? No. How big? It's about 3 acres. Yeah, I gotta say, my lawn in Florida, oof, it's definitely not like this. Yeah, it's definitely not the same, unfortunately. My lawn in Florida is very tiny. It'll be even smaller once we have our pool. I will have literally just a little bit of a lawn in the front. The back will be almost completely, it's pretty much everything's going to be landscaped or a pool. Yeah, Jamie. Actually, that should give you guys fever for spring. I can't wait till spring. I'm going to be ready. I'm going to be so ready for spring and mowing the lawn, and it's going to be great. Hey, market making a pullback here. All right, all right. Let's see. Is it going to give us our first decent pullback? What is up with copper? Who's spamming copper in my chat? What even is copper? Please, okay, time out. Before we can't, okay, we are already been intoxicated with silver. We cannot be trading copper, guys. We got to draw the line somewhere. Okay, we got to draw the line somewhere. We cannot stoop to the levels of trading copper. We just can't do it. Ooh, we're getting a pullback, folks. I don't want to buy this. We're just chilling. We are going to just be waiting. We shall watch and wait, see what happens. Platinum? No, not gonna happen. We are not trading platinum either. Nuh-uh. Or natural gas. Yeah, the silver graveyard is full. You got to try and find a new one. Yeah, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I said that about silver. Yeah, well, I gotta have some morals, you know. The odds on Cauchy will say that NBT will be trading all of those in 2 weeks. I feel like if I don't look at the chart, I won't trade it. So I'm just not even going to look at it. Seems like that's the safer route. Hey, happy Friday, T-Count. Lean hogs. Oh, good old lean hogs. Do you know what? I used to... So right when I started trading, my very first... Like right when I started trading futures, this would have been like 15 years ago. I traded lean hogs. Like I remember I had one trade of lean hogs. Don't ask me why I traded lean hogs, but for some stupid reason, is silver new highs? Please don't. No way. Oh, silver, you're killing me, man. Guys, do you remember yesterday? Does anybody remember yesterday how, I mean, we were slicing silver to pieces. We were like a surgeon. We were like a surgeon in silver, just boom, boom, boom. 500 here, 500 there, 700 here. And oh, that was such a good time. Now, we did have that one slight hiccup, just a little bit of a problematic entry. We lost focus and we accidentally went short. I do remember that as well. That was not quite as fun, but we escaped. Minimal damage. This is why I can't trade silver, though. We can't do it. Yesterday was an exception. We made an exception yesterday, and somehow we got through it unscathed, and we just need to appreciate that we survived, and now we just don't do it again. Okay? It's very simple. Trade oranges. Is gold at 5,000? Okay, fine. I'll look at gold. Gee, man, you guys are unrelentless. It's just crazy. Oh, snap. Oh, man. How long have I been trading? Well, so I traded futures back in like 15 years ago. I traded for 1 year and I blew up my account. And then I walked away. I walked away from trading for like 12 years. So I've been trading now 3 years since then. So, I mean, I'd say if someone asked me how long I've been trading, I would probably tell them 3 years. Even though it's a little bit more than that, but yeah. I've learned the most in the last 3 years. Do I use ICT strategies? No, I do not. If it means I can't trade until they review it. No, not necessarily, Ario. No, you can keep trading. Hey, Captain Crunch. Thank you, Captain Crunch. Good morning. Good to see you. But ICT does use NPT. Hey, ICT was in here last week, so actually, was it last week? I think it was last week. Well, folks, I really think we might be best off to walk away for the day. Call it a good session. What happened with Take Profit Trader, Dad Nader? We still got him, Dad Nader. Everything's fine. Nothing happened, okay? That's the... I never received... Now, okay. There was one comment. There was one comment on the video that made me very nervous. There was a comment that said that they did what I did. Well, you know, did what I supposedly did. And he said he didn't receive an email about it until 2 days later. I just assumed once the account's updated that we are in the clear. I'm going to keep assuming that, I guess, until proven otherwise. But, man, I am going to be devastated if I get an email like next Tuesday. That's going to be a problem. But I don't think so. I would assume that I would have received that email last night. Because once the account's updated, I requested a payout on the one, on this one account, we requested a payout, so maybe quit talking about it and delete the streams. Got him. No. Hey. How about another flying lesson? Oh, you guys want a special flight again today? Where could be a cool destination? We could do what would be a good destination today? Oh, okay, Trade Ranger. Don't say that, Mr. Wall Street. BNA, what's BNA? Oh, Cabo. Man, where do we where could we fly that's a cool destination? Nashville? What's in Nashville that what would happen in Nashville? Oh, really, Yoder? That's awesome. Land on a golf course in Myrtle Beach. You know, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. We'll find a golf course and land the plane. Let's see if we can land the plane on a golf course. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Actually, we could land the plane here in Sarasota on a golf course. I think I know which one. We could go to Key West as well. Yeah, it's going to need to be a par 5. Yeah, that's for sure. Ooh, Pinehurst. Oh, but it's going to be snowy. We need to do somewhere in the south. Somewhere in the south is where we're going to have to do it. Let me look. Let me look, chat. Yeah, see how this is just starting to roll over. I think it's time to call it a day. wrap up the session with a good old flight. We make an emergency landing on a golf course. Everybody survives. And here's the plan. We land on the golf course and then we go play a round of golf. And the plane is just we just have to leave it there. We could fly down the Mississippi River. Harrison Ford already did that. I say we just fly. We could just fly somewhere on. Yeah, we can just go somewhere in Florida, take off. We'll find a golf course and land on it. That's not that hard. Cannot be that difficult, right? All right, let me get my controller. Make sure we're locked and loaded. Come on, controller. My controller's not connecting. Yeah, I'm going to take off from Miami, I think. I think Miami's going to be the best option. Oh, no, I just realized. What? Why is my controller not connecting? Hello? What is going? I cannot connect my controller. What? What? No. I don't know, chat. This is not good. Why? That's so weird. Look at this. Does somebody know? So, do you guys see here? See how my usually there's like a Bluetooth where you can just turn on your Bluetooth right here. I don't have the option to turn on my Bluetooth. It disappeared. It's not here. And if I go to my Bluetooth devices and I add device, it just says turn on the Bluetooth. Well, I can't. How? How do I turn it on? Are you kidding me? We got problems, chat. This is a problem. I don't know. Why? I don't know what happened, but it doesn't allow me to turn on my Bluetooth. It's so weird. Click the spear at the bottom right. The spear at the bottom right. What do you mean? I'm so confused. I did the volume. Okay, so I clicked the volume, and I don't know if you can see or not, but it just says LTE. Like it gives me the Wi-Fi, and it gives me airplane mode. It gives me night mode, mobile hotspot, accessibility, energy saver, and if I click down, it gives me live caption, nearby sharing, and project. That's it. That's all. That's the only option I have. It doesn't give me the option to turn on Bluetooth. And if I go here, it doesn't give me what am I missing? I don't know, folks. I don't know. Something is wrong. Okay, I can go to settings and search Bluetooth. Okay, let's try that. I don't think it's going to be any different. Bluetooth, find and fix problems. Okay, let's try this. Oh, maybe we can do this. Let's do automatic repairing. Device does not have Bluetooth. Bluetooth is not available on this device. You're joking, right? Oh, chat, we're cooked. I don't know what's going on, but it's a problem. All right, guys, I don't know. I got to figure this out. Something is wrong with my computer. I don't want to keep wasting time here, but I don't know what's going on. My Bluetooth isn't Bluetoothing. I might need to shut down, restart. Maybe that'll fix it, but all right, Chad. I think we'll have to call it here. Oh, please don't make me look at silver. Oh my goodness, gold. Gold is ripping. Parabolic. Silver. Oh my goodness, silver. Silver. Okay, I gotta shut down. We gotta shut things down, guys. I can't look at this. Man. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it there. Thanks again. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we'll be back Monday. We will be back Monday. I hope you guys all have a great rest of the day. Have a great weekend. And for those of you that are in the snowstorm, be safe. And I hope, I hope you guys all stay safe. There's a major snowstorm going through for a lot of people. So take care. And we'll see you guys Monday. Take care and God bless.